Hi, I'm Robert May from HyprMX, and today we're here at Pocket Gamer Connect in San Francisco, and sitting with me is Andy from Gameloft. So Andy, tell me a bit about yourself and your role at Gameloft.
Sure. So I've been at Gameloft for a little bit over 2 years now. Previously, I was at a company called Supersonic that got bought by ironSource. At Gameloft, I'm a user acquisition manager. So that means I'm doing a lot of the performance marketing side for our suite of products. Gameloft is awesome because we have everything from casual games to racers to something more hardcore. And it's fun to switch it around a little bit.
Like having worked at an ad network, does that give you does that give you a leg up now that you're working on the other side of the table?
Looking at the technology, how it was my first introduction to mobile advertising. So looking at the technology, how they ad serve, how they monetize for partners, looking at that aspect of business is super important. On the other side, it's my day-to-day is very relational. So I still talk to a lot of people from ironSource, but that also gives me a lot of access to different kind of peoples in the industry.
What's the greatest challenge that you're facing in user acquisition this year?
Sure. I think the challenge is always being on top of the trends. One thing works, and then 2 months later, it doesn't. So the most important thing is to build out an infrastructure that can continuously adjust with how the industry is going, whether that's infrastructure on building out creatives, infrastructure on understanding our internal data and user behavior. Those things are really important and a continuous challenge. So starting from the ground level, that's really important.
What's it like doing user acquisition for big IP such as yours?
We're starting to understand, especially on the iOS side, that featuring is getting less and less installs over time with every update. What we're relying on is IP, people understanding. For example, I run Disney Magic Kingdoms. Disney IP is huge. We have a lot of flexibility on creatives. Incredibles 2 is coming out next month, so we're trying to push creatives for that. That's a lot of fun, but then the cons is a lot of the legal side, working with third parties and adhering to their marketing production capabilities.
So what can we expect to see from Gameloft later this year?
Yeah, several other games coming out this year and continuously building onto our user acquisition momentum.
Well, Andy, thanks so much for your time today.
Cool.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Yeah, thank you.